It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 6th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Another day with near record heat in the valley today, but that light at the end of the tunnel we've been waiting for, the potential of the last 100-degree day of the year on Thursday, and temperatures cool way down, perhaps to below average levels by early next week. All right, let's get into it. First, you know what I'm about to tell you. Yesterday, another record breaker in the valley, 105 degrees, the afternoon high. The previous record, 104, set last in 1987. The morning low was 71, the normal high 93, the normal low 69. Outside now here at 7:10 a.m. We've got a few high clouds out there right now, sitting at 73 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 32, relative humidity 22%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Rather pleasant temperatures to start the day. 57, the cool spots at Fort McDowell and Goldfield. 62 at Gilbert, 63 Granite Reef Dam, 64 in Chandler, 65 Tempe. Of course, in the favored warm spots around Sky Harbor Airport and downtown Phoenix, of course, we've got low and middle 70s. The upper air look shows the story. High pressure is still the dominant weather feature here across the west. We have a little weakness in the ridge just off the central and southern California coast. A little weak upper low out there that's brought in those high clouds we've seen from time to time, and that will continue for the next couple of days. The watch warning map is relatively quiet. Some red flag warnings over the central and northern Rockies and out into the northern plains. A couple of air quality alerts across the country. And of course, out in California, the wildfire situation continues to be a problem. The convective outlook for today, no risk of severe weather expected across the contiguous U.S., and the tropics. We can say goodbye to Gamma. That's now off the board, just a remnant circulation out over the Yucatan Peninsula. But behind that, we have Delta, and that's very quickly ramping up to a major hurricane, now top winds up to 110 miles per hour. The official track from the National Hurricane Center brings it across the northeastern corner of the Yucatan Peninsula over the next 24 to 36 hours, and then back out over the Gulf of Mexico. And officially, they have this up to a Category 4 during the day on Wednesday. That's likely when it will peak in intensity because as it makes that turn toward the north, it will encounter some cooler waters in the northern Gulf as well as pretty deep southwesterly shear, and that should help to weaken it on its approach to the coast of the United States. And this will make landfall somewhere pretty close to New Orleans or just to the west of there perhaps. But the good news is, in addition to weakening, we should see this storm accelerating as it moves inland. So outside of storm surge along the immediate coast, we shouldn't have to worry about widespread flooding with this feature. And speaking of flooding and rainfall, well, we don't have to worry about any of that around here anytime soon. The precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley and basically nothing statewide. There could be some isolated showers in northern Arizona this weekend. We'll talk about that and everything else going on as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure remains the dominant feature out here across the west, but there is a weak upper low off the southern and central California coast. That's bringing in some high clouds from time to time. So down at the surface, yes, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, but highs this afternoon still hot. Highs 101 to 104. Tonight, the sky is partly cloudy. The air continues to be dry, so lows drop in the mid-60s to low 70s. And then tomorrow, we might take a degree off the afternoon highs, but still partly cloudy, highs 100 to 103. On Thursday, highs upper 90s to 101 as the ridge continues to weaken, and this should be, or could be, our last 100-degree day of the forecast period, and that potential of it being the last 100-degree day of the year. Let's hope so. All right, Friday, we've got troughing setting up along the west coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 90s here. The sky mostly sunny. On Saturday, the GFS shows a weak negative tilt short wave out ahead of the main trough swinging across the southwest. Most of that energy is north of us, but I guess there could be an isolated shower in the northern portion of the state. Even that seems pretty unlikely as moisture is very limited, but something to keep in mind. Here in the valley, just a light breeze, mostly sunny, maybe just a few high clouds, high temperatures in the mid-90s. Then on Sunday, the trough continues to progress into the western states. Plenty of rain for the Pacific Northwest. Around here, mostly sunny, maybe just a few high clouds again, highs, upper 80s and low 90s. Then on Monday, this trough moves through the four corners and cool air advection comes in behind this. There's a possibility we start the day in the upper 50s in the cooler valley spots, low to mid 60s in the urban core. That's not too bad. It'll feel like a refreshing little taste of fall. And highs only in the mid and upper 80s. So maybe just slightly below average temperatures out here. But it doesn't last long. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 13th. High pressure building in behind it. And so high temperatures rebound back into the low 90s or so. And as we go out 10 days, this is Thursday the 15th. High pressure still here across the southwest. The main storm track remains well to the north of Arizona, as you would expect. High temperatures, again, low to mid 90s. But I don't think we're going to get back to the triple digits. That's the good news. And as we check out precipitation off the European ensemble, and it's a big old box of nothing for the next couple of weeks. No realistic rain chances around here. And temperatures off the national blend of models today, tomorrow, Thursday were above the triple digits. And then after that, no sign of the 100s anytime for the rest of the forecast period and maybe for the rest of the year. Fingers crossed. All right, that's it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. I always appreciate it, everybody. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there. Watch yourselves and each other around the pool, and have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.